100 Most Common English Proverbs.
A cat has 9 lives. We haven't been able to meet for months now. But I am not worried, I know a cat has 9 lives. I can't believe Jimmy only lived to be 3. I thought a cat has 9 lives.
I can't believe Jake survived after his bungee cord snapped. I've heard that cats have 9 lives, but Jake must have 9 lives too.
A cat has 9 lives.
A leopard doesn't change its spots. You're never going to convince Tom about this, he's too stubborn, and a leopard doesn't change its spots. I don't think he will change his habits if he gets caught. A leopard can't change its spots. A liar is a liar, and a leopard doesn't change its spots. A leopard doesn't change its spots.
All's well that ends well. I am glad you didn't get hurt in the accident, even if the car got smashed. All's well that ends well. All's well that ends well, at least it didn't rain for my entire wedding day. The kids were miserable when we first got here, but now they're happy, and all's well that ends well. All's well that ends well. A rolling stone gathers no moss. Can't believe he is married and well settled now. He was a bit of a rolling stone a few years back. Hal was a bit of a rolling stone a few years back before he married and settled down.
I'm saying that it's not a good idea to get too settled.
A rolling stone gathers no moss.
It's easy to be wise after the event. I would have never bought an apartment if I had known that the land on which it has been built is disputed. Well, it's easy to be wise after the event. In retrospect, we should have insisted on checking his calculations, but it's easy to be wise after the event. I never would have bought this car if I had known it needed so much work done to it. Well, it's easier to be wise after the event. It's easy to be wise after the event. No news is good news. We should be able to maintain production as expected, so for now no news is good news. My son has been living abroad for nearly 10 years now. At first I used to get anxious when I didn't hear from him, but now I know that no news is good news. My daughter has been working in Australia for nearly 5 years now. At first, I used to get worried when I didn't hear from her, but now I know that no news is good news. No news is good news.
The show must go on. Our Juliet just called to say she had to go to the hospital. The show must go on. I will play Juliet as soon as I shave my beard. The chairman died yesterday, but the show must go on. Oh no! The birthday cake is ruined. The show must go on. Stick a candle in that donut. The show must go on.
Time and tide wait for no man. We need to hurry up or else we'll miss the flight. Time and tide wait for no man. Hurry up or we'll miss the bus. Time and tide wait for no man. I always remind myself that time and tide wait for no man. Time and tide wait for no man.
Two heads are better than one. More startups have two co-founders than one. That's because they very well understand that two heads are better than one. Come on, let me help you brainstorm some ideas. Two heads are better than one. I want everyone to get into pairs to come up with the solution, because two heads are better than one. Two heads are better than one.
When the cat's away, the mice will play. As soon as their parents left, the children invited all their friends over. When the cat's away, you know. When the teacher left for a few minutes, the children nearly wrecked the classroom. When the cat's away, the mice will play. If I leave my classroom for even a moment, I come back to find the place in chaos. When the cat's away, the mice will play. When the cat's away, the mice will play. A cat has 9 lives. A leopard doesn't change its spots. All's well that ends well. A rolling stone gathers no moss. It's easy to be wise after the event. No news is good news. The show must go on.
Time and tide wait for no man. Two heads are better than one. When the cat's away, the mice will play. Speak English like a native speaker. Welcome to English Free Channel, www.4uenglishfree.com.